Crispy toast, creamy avocado, fresh herbs, the perfect bite every time. Ready? Let's make it. First, cut the bread. I'm using brown bread, but any multigrain or whole grain will taste great. Heat some butter, add 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic and fry for a few seconds. Now toast the bread till it turns golden and crispy. Then take it out. Now let's prepare our veggies. Chop some small onion fine. Take a few sprigs of coriander and chop them fine. Mint leaves too, chop them fine. Take 2 tomatoes. Remove the seeds and chop them small. Also, chop some onion leaves for garnish. Now cut the avocado in half. Gently hit the seed with a knife. It comes out easily. Scoop out the avocado and mash it. And mash it till creamy, no big chunks. Add a little lemon juice to keep it fresh and green. Mix in the chopped onions, tomatoes, coriander, mint, salt, freshly crushed black pepper, and a bit more lemon juice. Mix well. Spread this creamy mix over your crispy toast. Sprinkle some chilli flakes, chopped onion leaves, and roasted white sesame seeds on top. And there you go, simple, healthy, and super tasty. Thank you for watching.